Good morning, dear students. Today we will study about moon. The moon is the largest and brightest object in the night sky. It is the only natural satellite of the earth. Our earth has only one natural satellite, and that is moon. But what satellite is? Satellites are the artificial bodies that are designed by the scientists to gather information about universe or for communication. But here we are not talking about the man-made satellites. Here we are talking about the natural satellites. The heavenly bodies that revolve around planets are called their natural satellites. They are also called the moon of the planets. Each and every outer planets and some of the inner planets, they have their own natural satellites. Children, all the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they have their own natural satellites. And the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. See, Mercury and Venus, they do not have any natural satellite. Earth has only one natural satellite, that is moon. That's why I have said that some of the inner planets have their own natural satellites. The moon has no light of its own. All the planetary bodies are getting the light from the sun. It only appears to shine brightly in the sky because its light color surface reflects sunlight. It is about 3,84,400 km away from the earth. The moon orbits around the earth in the same way the earth orbits the sun. However, the earth takes about 365 days to travel once around the sun, 1 year. The moon completes its orbit around the earth in only 27 days and 8 hours. Since the time taken for the moon to rotate is also the same, we always see the same face of the moon, not the double face of the moon. The moon doesn't have conditions favorable for life. It has no water, no air. It has mountains, plains and circular depressions called the craters on the surface of the moon. We only find rocks and dust on the moon. During the day, its temperature is about 100 degrees Celsius and at night it is minus 150 degrees Celsius. As the moon revolves around the earth, its shape seems to change every night. We see varying amount of its sunlit part called phases of the moon. We can see the full moon only once in about a month's time. It is called full moon night or Purnima. After 15 days time, we can watch the night sky best, provided it is clear cloudless night. This is called new moon night or Amavasya. On 29 July 1969, Neil Armstrong, an American astronaut, he became the first human to land on the moon, and he brought back a wealth of information about the moon. Now coming to asteroids. Children, in the previous class, we have studied about the solar system. The solar system consists of sun and the various objects that move around it, like the planets, their satellites, asteroids and meteors. They together form the solar system. So now we will study in detail about asteroids. What are asteroids? Between the region of Mars and Jupiter, there lies numerous small objects. These small objects are called asteroids. Asteroids are also called planetoids, meaning small planet. They are believed to be pieces of planets which exploded soon after their formation. Asteroids are mainly seen in asteroid belt, the region between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. They also move around the sun like the other planets. As all the other planets are revolving around the sun, in the same way, these asteroids also move around the sun. Meteoroids. Children, meteoroids are the pieces of rock that goes around the sun. When these pieces of rocks, they come near the earth, they are pulled in by the earth's gravitational pull. As the meteoroids, they enter the earth atmosphere, a friction is created, and due to this friction, they begin to glow. So the streaks of light the burning meteoroids produce as they fall to the earth are called meteors or the shooting stars. And the partly burnt pieces of rock, sometimes they fall on the surface of the earth, causing huge holes. So these pieces of rocks are called meteorites. Children, new discoveries are being made about the nature of space and the formation of the universe every day. One of the best known international space research centers in the world is NASA in the USA. And to find out more about the latest discoveries in space research, you could visit the website of NASA. In India, space research is conducted by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Thank you.